Makita has been manufacturing high quality and reliable circular saws for many decades. Many of these machines are used in the construction industry. One of the more popular machines is the N5900B. Teamed with a wide range of blades, this machine can tackle almost all cutting applications into timber. Today, many contractors are recycling timber by reusing it. This timber could be caked in cement, contain nails and screws. The safest way to cut this is to remove the nails and screws before cutting. However, this is not always possible. To reduce this risk, the Makita construction saw blade is the correct accessory to use when cutting into dirty wood. Well-embedded TCT teeth, large shoulders, strong metal body allows operators to cut into timber embedded with screws and nails. Where a thin kerf and alternate bevel teeth allows for fast cutting into timber, which is a must for all contractors in the construction industry. With a 30mm bore and also being supplied with a 25.4mm reducing ring, gives this blade the versatility of being used into all 9¼ circular saw machines. Let's take a closer look at the technology that makes this blade unique. By using the schematic drawing, we could see clearly that the tooth is well embedded into the body of the blade. This increases the life of the tooth itself and also gives the blade its strength when it's cutting into screws and nails. To demonstrate the effectiveness of the construction blade, I will cut through this piece of timber with 2 wire nails hammered into it. We can see clearly that the cut was successful. Without any damage to the blade, nor the machine, nor the operator. The construction blade by Makita, teamed with the N5900B circular saw, should be your first choice when choosing a 9¼ circular saw for the construction industry. Until next time, thank you.